Zoe and everybody else. Hope you've had a lovely Easter holiday and you're ready to get back to some home learning. So this week, if we'd been back in school, we would have been starting to focus on money and looking at different money amounts. So today, I thought we'd look at some problems and I'm going to show you how to use a number line to count on to find the difference between two money amounts. So I've written a word problem and it says, I have £1.72. Max has £2. How much more money does Max have than me? Okay, so in order to work out this problem, what I need to do is draw a number line. And at the beginning of my number line, I'm going to write £1.72. So now I need to go from £1.72 to £2. So here I go. I'm going to add 8p to get to £1.80. So I now have £1.80, and now it's really easy. How much to go from £1.80 to £2? It's 20p. So now I add my jumps, 8p, add 20p, is 28p. So that's how much Max has 28p more than me. You can buy some sweets. Okay, so what I'd like you to do at home now, if you could ask a family member at home to write a problem or some problems like this, and then you have a go at creating the number line that I've just done. Okay, send me some videos. Good luck.